because they dream to taste the pinnacle of success. They will always believe that they can manage to handle insurmountable obstacles in their lives. If this happens, they will survive in this competitive world we're in. I strongly believe that these are the appropriate words to fully describe our guest of honor this morning. My greetings of love, joy, and peace to everyone. Excellence is doing ordinary things extraordinary. That's according to John W. Gardner. This adage is very much fitting to describe our guest speaker in today's 6th graduation ceremony for senior high school in our beloved institution, Magallalag National High School. Being a teacher has become a passion for her. Her 22 years of teaching mathematics in the Philippines and in the United States are evidence to prove this. Our guest hails from Alibago and Enrile, Cagayan. She is the 4th child of the late high school teacher, Mr. Pedro Balumon, and a retired teacher of Alibago Elementary School, Mrs. Visitacion Guzman Balumon. Moreover, she is a graduate of Alibago Elementary School in 1993, a graduate of Magallalag High School in 1997, and a graduate of St. Paul University, Tuguegarao City, with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, minor in Physics in 2001. In all these schools, she graduated with flying colors. This paved the way for her to be granted a scholarship by the Commission of Higher Education. Because of this opportunity, she granted an Academic Excellence Award in 2001. When one has an eagerness to learn more, that person will do all possible means to go on. Just like our guest of honor today, who right after college started her graduate studies at St. Paul University and continued with it at University of Makati, Philippines. The teaching ministry of our guest speaker is massive. Her first teaching opportunity was with Marikina City at Infant Jesus Academy for a year, right after her graduation in March 2001. Then she was transferred to a public school in Comendo, Makati City at Benigno Ninoy Aquino High School, where she taught for 6 consecutive years, from 2002 to 2007. She will never forget her memories in the said school, because this is where she fell in love with a godly man who became the love of her life. In 2006, she decided to tie the knot with Mr. Erwin D. Tudal, her fellow teacher who also taught in the Department of Technology and Livelihood Education, ELE, at the same school, and who is a resident of Catagaman Nuevo, Tuguegarao City. This lovely couple were blessed with 4 beautiful children. Eras Justine, 16, the eldest, Andre Tos, 13, the second, Ivan Yanzay, the third, and Emre Jairus, 6, the youngest. At present, our guest speaker is a robotics teacher, remediation math teacher, and mathematics teacher at Manteca High School, located at Northern California at United States of America. She is a professional learning community lead person of robotics team at Manteca Unified School District. She is also the current membership director of United Federation of Filipino American Educators, Unified, of San Joaquin County, California chapter. Furthermore, she is an honorary member of National Nominating Committee for Junior National Young Leaders, New and Beginning Teacher Sport, a former member of Mathematics Curriculum Committee for Junior High at Soledad Unified School District, and a current member of Mathematics Curriculum Committee at Mantika Unified School District. Our guest never stops learning, for she is one person who believes that education is a continuous process. She went on enrolling in the graduate program at University of Texas, Arlington in 2012, where she obtained her master's degree in education, majoring in curriculum and instruction in mathematics. We are truly proud of her, for she holds a certificate in STEM, Integrated Mathematics and Computing with Robotics, from University of California, Davis, California Department of Education, and California State Legislature as C-STEM, Computing, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics Teacher of the Year. The experience of our guest is too massive. I say this because she is also involved in research related to teaching and learning. Her research interests include motivation and engagement, self-theories and social learning theories, science and technology, engineering, arts and mathematics, STEAM, integration in mathematics education, best practices in teaching English learner development, and data science from Stanford University. She is also a certificate in gifted and talented education from Capital Region Gifted and Talented Consortium, and a certificate in STEM, Integrated Mathematics and Computing with Robotics from University of California at Davis, California. Currently, she is pursuing her supplemental credential authorization at University of California for computer science to teach K-12, and she is also working as case writer in a data fluency research project as a pilot program for WestEd, a research development and services agency that works with education and other communities to promote excellence, achieve equity, and improve learning for children, youth, and adults at United States Department of Education. At present, our guest speaker has been teaching for 16 years from 2007 to present at California, United States. Because of her drive to contribute meaningfully towards the attainment of excellence in the field of education, she is currently pursuing her doctorate degree in education, major in education management at Philippine Christian University. In addition, she is in the last phase of her academic journey and is expected to graduate in December of this year. Ladies and gentlemen, with great pride and honor, may we all welcome Mrs. Judith Balungan Tugao, our guest of honor for this year's Alex Fulbright of National High School's 6th graduation ceremony.
Lord. Okay, thank you so much for that very welcome, very nice introduction. Thank you, thank you. You can sit.